how to get the contraction of the gallbladder. Even when we look at the ultrasound scan, then do activate certain points. That point is the prime point to do the dissolving and to break down the gallstones. That point known as a Tan Nang. Tan, Tan. Tan means in Chinese is the gallbladder. Tan Nang is a gallbladder stone diagnosing point, at the same time dissolving point as well. Where the point is located, the point is not here, but the area of that location to be called as a 1 to 1.5 chun distal to the Yang Ling Chuan. That point is called as a gallbladder 34. The area, just to give the deep pressure to that particular region to analyze the patient is really having the gallbladder stones, or the patient is getting the hypochondriac pain due to some other reason. If there is a gallstone is there, then you press how the LAN V, the point is located 2 chun distal to the Zhu San Li, stomach 36 point, and 1 finger breadth lateral to the border of the tibia. In the similar way, there are nearly the 2 fingers below the GB34, the point is located. Activate the point, whether the person is suffering for the vermiform appendix is the reason to cause the pain, or the gallbladder stone is the reason to cause the pain. You just manipulate, give the pressure, and find out the proper identification of the pattern of what is the reason to cause that pain. If that particular pain is there in that particular region, then you understand there is a significant of the gallbladder stones are existing within that. Activate that same particular point. I'll teach you that where the point is ideally located. There are the 2 most important points for the gallbladder stones. So one point is located GB34. So now we wanted to find out where exactly that point is located. Now you just look at when lying down on this side, then you can find used only on the right side, not on the left leg, right? So now you just see this is the back of the knee. You just come forward, then come down. You can find the head of the fibula. There is a prominent bone. So from this bone is slightly front of that bone, there is a depression. This depression is called as a GB34. This point is called as a GB34. From here, 2 fingers below from this point is Tan Nang point, where we can use it for the gallbladder stones. So for this, if you have pencil or jimmy something, you just give the pressure to this point, clockwise direction, and then anti-clockwise direction. Further, you just activate to this point, clockwise direction, and then anti-clockwise direction. In fact, both the points majorly you will get pain, but more significantly getting the pain on this particular point if the gallbladder stones are existing with the patient. So you just keep giving the pressure to this point, and certainly there is a relief for the colic pain. Dan Nang point, DANNANG. Once you activate with the electrical stimulation, the contraction of the gallbladder to be taken place. Once the contraction to be done, then chances are there to break down, and that will move from the cystic duct to the common bile duct, and from the common bile duct it goes to the duodenum. From the duodenum it goes to the small intestine through that large intestine as well. At the same time, when you wanted to add up the another points which we called as the local points which we known as a Yuan Wei, and Sechin Ryu, that points are called as a gallbladder 22, 23, 24. These are the local and adjacent point to the gallbladder. At the same time, there are another few points called as the Qianjing point. That point is gallbladder 21 on the right side. We are finding the location. Exactly, we need to find out C7 bone. There are totally cervical 7 bones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th bone. From here to the shoulder joint. So midway between these 2 points called as a GB21 point. So this point is generally used only on the right shoulder, not on the left shoulder. So give the pressure clockwise direction and then anti-clockwise direction for the span of 2 to 3 minutes is recommended, and for the span of 40 days continuously. If possible, twice in a day or at least once in a day is good. At the same time, you just add up the point is Yang Ling Chuan itself is the GB34. At the same time, Siaxi point, that is the gallbladder 43. Right, at the same time, Su Cho in that point is gallbladder 44. All these points together certainly is the great impact to dissolve the gallbladder stones most of the times. You understand? So when we use these points, along with that if there is the patient having the constipation, better you can add up the another point called as a Sun Qian point. That point is communicating point to the gallbladder and then large intestine, that is large intestine, third point of the LI. Right, so in that way just add up and activate for the gallbladder stones. Certainly there is a most of the times the patient feel abundantly relief. You remember sometimes is around you can treat for the 3 months, intermittently around 10 to 15 sittings. Certainly the patient feel drastically changes. But however, sometimes the gallbladder stones are existing years or maybe perhaps 1 year. When we look at about that, when you have treated the patient, sometimes you feel the changes in the gallbladder stones. At the same time, how the viral fever is the positive. After treatment it will be all right, but that executes in the blood report even after 2-3 months also the viral is positive. In the similar way, the gallbladder stones also existing within that for the span of 1 year without any obstruction. So therefore I suggest you, so this to be given the treatment intermittently for the span of couple of sittings. Later on we can wind up. At the same time, it is recommended to be continue the treatment monthly once is good. To treat for the span of 1 year is recommended because of the patient don't want to go for the surgery. Right, monthly once giving the treatment is not harmful to the patient. At the same time, it doesn't mean that you are providing the treatment for 1 year. Right, you are doing only the intermittent for the span of hardly you can do around maximum 15 sittings to 20 sittings in the total span of 1 year. Right.